My name is Tasha, and on the next edition of Vet Rescue, we are going to follow this mass sterilization clinic around Punta Cana.
Energize, realize, feels so good just to be alive. Time's a gift, my time is free. I can spend it on you, you can spend it on me. I could say you'll be blown away by the change you see me. And I feel alright, dance all night, put a little flavor in my life. I put the good stuff in.
She is, she's a very sweet girl. I know, baby, I know. Here, we help you out a little bit. We make it easier for you, right? There we go. That helps, right? That makes it better, right? Okay, come. Very good girl. Okay, baby. No more babies for you.
She's so cute.
There you go, sweetheart.
Next up. You are the cutest.
That's a girl.
Yes, you are. Alright, little baby.
What was the weight for the cat?
He's a big fucker. How about 12?
Okay.
Pounds. Okay, clarify. Alright, baby. Good girl. Good girl.
Can cats have ivermectin?
I don't know the answer.
I don't know why I'm losing focus when I get too tight.
That was perfect timing because you distracted her right as I was poking. She was like, oh, this is okay.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
There you go, baby. Here, Allison, you can take that back up front.
Nap time, little baby. Nap time.
It's pretty quick too, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah, when you do it intravenous. Yeah.
Oh, you are cute. Can you smile?
Partially is because they're so pumped. Their heart rate is up and stuff, and so it circulates
Pushes it
and
through
bang.
real quick.
Yeah.
She's a young girl. Her teeth aren't even all the way in yet.
Oh, then maybe she hasn't had a litter yet.
Yeah, she's a baby.
Yeah.
Like, I can't even hook my finger on her canines.
I can see doing some of these as vet rescue on location and things like that. Maybe even do 2 shows for vet rescue. One for scouts and Clyde.
Good idea. That's a good idea.
There is a wonderful organization on the north side of the island. They go from Puerto Plata down past Cabarete. They have volunteers all along the way. It's called Dogs and Cats of the Dominican Republic.
Is that Karen Levy? Is she part of that stuff? You know, Karen?
Yes.
I met Karen
Mark and Debbie and Tom and Tanya Whitehead.
I think Karen is up in that area, but I met Karen.
She's one of their volunteers.
I met Karen in Santo Domingo when we went into Haiti in 2010,
What are you doing?
Okay.
right after
Right.
the earthquake.
Are you?
There you go, guys.
So are you on the island here?
No, I'm from Edmonton, Alberta.